This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Mix 500 g bread flour, 10 g salt, 50 g sugar, 10 g instant yeast, and 300 ml cold water until shaggy. You want gluten developing but not overworked. Once mixed, shape into a flat rectangle, cover and chill 60 to 90 minutes. This relaxes gluten so lamination won't tear. Meanwhile, prepare 0.5 kg butter pounded to a 1 cm slab between parchment, pliable but cold. Make sure both pieces are similar temperature. This prevents butter breaking through dough during rolling. Once your butter packet and dough are similarly cold, wrap butter inside dough and seal. Roll gently to 20 by 60 cm for the first turn so layers spread evenly. Fold in thirds like a business letter, rotate 90 degrees, then chill 30 to 45 minutes to relax dough and keep butter solid. Repeat 2 more single turns, for a total of 3, and you'll create about 27 to 81 alternating layers. Make sure to roll with even pressure and rest between folds so layers stay distinct. Roll the laminated dough to 3 to 4 millimeters, keeping edges straight. Cut 10 centimeter base triangles for classic croissants and stretch each gently before rolling to encourage lift. Place on baking trays, proof for 1.5 to 2 hours at 24 to 26 degrees Celsius until noticeably puffy. Then brush with egg wash and bake at 200 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes until deep golden. If butter leaks or croissants stay flat, stop, chill the dough, check yeast and oven uniformity. Fix temperature and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.